Jordan here, back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be breaking down a GBPUSD buy that I took last week off of the 1 hour time frame, closing me with over 100 pips and rewarding me with a little bit over $1,100. So with that being said, without any further ado, I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and let's get into the trade. All right, let's get it. Let's get this trade broken down. Make sure you guys are taking a little bit of notes. We're gonna get in, get out, and then just go enjoy the rest of our day, right? So one thing that I really like to see on the 1 hour time frame in the mornings is an impulse move, an impulse push, either to the upside or to the downside. And in this case, we're getting the impulse move to the upside, breaking structure in this region here. So from there, I'm like, okay, let me stop, let me hold. Before I can go any further, I have to go to higher time frames to, really confirm if what I'm seeing here is a part of a bigger move on a higher time frame. And when you flip to a bigger time frame, in this case the daily, this candlestick, I want to be clear, this candlestick was not this large, during this time. The only reason it is this large right now is because we're in replay mode. But at the time, this daily candlestick was about half of that size, so right around here. So from that, I could see that there was an impulse push, a retest to the the resistance that is broken, now making support level, and we're giving that push forward. Just the fact that we're giving that push forward, I could then put that on my confirmation list, go to the 4 hour, see a little bit of the same thing in regards to price giving us that push, a little bit of a wick. However, we're still retesting the area, this neckline, not really a neckline, but this area of resistance now turned to support that we've just broken. So with that being said, what I've seen on the 1 hour is confirmed by higher time frame biases, right? Whatever I see on higher time frames, that's what's going to dictate what I do into the lower time frames. So just the fact that I've seen the type of move that I like to see that sets off, kind of like my mental system here, I'm confirmed with the higher time frame. So with that being said, once I see the impulse, I fib the impulse, I wait for price to come down to the 382, and then from there I flip down to the 15-minute to monitor structure. So boom, we get the 382 touch, it's the very next candle. From there I'm going to the 15-minute, and in this area on the 15-minute, I'm looking for an area of support. In this case, because we're buying, I'm looking for an area of support to be formed for price to flip structure, and then I'll set a limit and we'll take it from there. So I'm gonna play it forward and see if we can just build this area of support here. And what I'm starting to see is a push down, another push up, push down, push up. And what that shows me and confirms for me here is the fact that we are now creating an area of support. If we look a little bit left and look at this region here, these for me are my first indication of highs that need to be structured around. So I'll play it forward and we'll start to see some more structure be broken. The one thing for me that really sets it off is an engulfing candlestick breaking the structure, breaking the highs. So from here, quickly I can see, okay, we need to break these highs to go any further, bro. Like, we have to break these highs to go any further. Otherwise, we're just going to keep pushing down, and then our trade is going to become invalid. So again, what I love to see is a nice engulfing candle. Oh shit, there it is. The engulfing candle, and you have to kind of act quick at this point because price has flipped. There's your indication that price is flipped. It's broken structure. It's more importantly closed above. From here, I can feel comfortable setting my limit, my buy limit. I'll set it at the 382, which is also on top of these wicks here. Erase this box, and from there I'll take my stop loss, put it there. I'll take my TP. This is my TP1. I'll put it here. From there I'll take some partials and I'll let it play out. So let's see if this trade plays out. There's the entry right there, the very next candle. A little bit of drawdown at first, however, still a pretty good entry nonetheless. We'll play it forward. little drawdown here. I remember watching this entire trade, and it was really good. We got a nice doji right around here. I would call this, maybe an evening star, if you will. A couple of things here that show me that maybe we'll be good to go for this trade. And honestly, in this trade, there were a couple of things. Like I said, that doji that gave me a pretty good indication that, hey, we might be on the right side of things here. And then we're going to continue to push. So I'm going to play it forward a little bit. And instantly, I think there was news here as well, which definitely helped my push. And there it goes. There's TP1. From there, I'm moving stops to break even. And I'm taking about 90% of this trade and securing profits. And I'm also continuing to let it run. The one thing that I definitely like to, improve on in my trading is the fact of holding winners and, really seeing the full potential of the trades playing out. A little bit of my risk management, my profit management is, once I break highs and once structure is formed between current price and my entry, then I'll move my stops, to a trailing stop. And if price comes down, stops me out in profit, I'm happy with that. So from there, we'll call this purple line my stop loss, and I just continue to move it as price continued higher. From there, I remember moving it like down here, and I actually held this trade over the weekend, and it was definitely a good one. You really got to pay attention to higher time frames here, because it'll really let you know what you want to do versus what you're gonna do. I don't know if that makes any sense, but like, for example, if you're gonna buy, you need to be looking at higher time frames. Otherwise, if they tell you it's a sell, then you might see a buy. However, the sells could come into play just because of the higher time frame. So with that being said, we're gonna move the trade over, and I'm really trying to take you guys to where price came to stop me out in profit. I'm just gonna continue it, keep on going, play it. I think you got stopped out a little bit down here. And there it goes. That's exactly where I got stopped out in profit, and that's the trade right there. That's the play. That's exactly what I look for every single day. I love the 1 hour. I do take plays and trades off of the daily and 4 hour as well. However, you have to be a little bit more patient for those to play out and for those to come and set up as well. So that's why I really love taking trades off of the 1 hour, and not every day they are like this. But for the most part, you get your 20 pips, you get your 30 to 50 pips, you're out of there. You can, damn sure close after the first take profit, or you can hold on to your winners and let the full potential of the trade play out. So with that being said, you guys, that's all I have today. I didn't want to make this video too long. This was, again, the GBP trade off of the 1 hour time frame. And yeah, that's the trade, you guys. I don't have much more to say. Appreciate you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys got the notifications turned on for the next time I post a video. Also be aware of the fact we might go live. I'm gonna be trying this whole testing the stream thing out a little in a few weeks. I got some traveling to do, but might cut that out. But with that being said, you guys, I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure you guys hit the like button, and again, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.